Every rare product begins with a careful first step in nature.
Handling animals of this size demands patience, precision, and trust.
Even the world's largest dairy animals must remain calm for safe extraction. The factory awaits miles away. From riverbank to factory floor, the transformation has begun.
Temperature control preserves the rare milk during transport.
Before a single drop is collected, the equipment must be perfectly prepared. Even the world's largest dairy animals must remain calm for safe extraction. Every container must remain stable for the road ahead. Sterility ensures the rare milk remains pure from the very beginning. With the system engaged, the first precious flow begins.
Raw hippo milk is immediately stabilized to protect its delicate structure.
Once collected, the milk begins its journey toward processing. The journey from nature to industry now begins.
Every shipment is verified before entering production.
And the next stage of the journey begins.
Now the milk enters the core of the factory. Now the milk enters the core of the factory. With intake complete, the milk advances to the next stage. Before transformation, purity must come first. Raw milk is stabilized before the real processing begins.
Precision filtration protects the quality of the milk.
Before transformation, purity must come first.
The rare cargo is now ready to enter the production system.
Speed and physics refine the milk further. Stability ensures the milk remains ready for transformation. Speed and physics refine the milk further.
Perfect control prepares the milk for the next phase.
The transformation into cheese begins here. Now the milk enters the core of the factory. Now the purification process begins. Layer by layer, the milk becomes cleaner. Once sealed, the system is ready to move the milk forward. The first purification stage removes natural impurities. The rare ingredient officially enters the factory. Layer by layer, the milk becomes cleaner. Speed and physics refine the milk further. Next, the milk's components are gently separated.
From here, the milk moves deeper into the production line.
Perfect control prepares the milk for the next phase.
With intake complete, the milk advances to the next stage. Now the milk enters the core of the factory.
The first purification stage removes natural impurities.
Now the purification process begins.
Every parameter is constantly monitored. Raw milk is stabilized before the real processing begins.
Precision filtration protects the quality of the milk.
Heat now prepares the milk for its final evolution. Now the milk enters the core of the factory. Every connection must be secure before the flow begins. The finishing process begins with precision. Precise cuts prepare the curds for the next step. With aging complete, the cheese is ready for finishing.
The cheese now moves toward controlled maturation.
Data helps maintain consistent quality.
Now the curds move forward to take their final form. Precise climate control governs the aging process. Here, time slowly perfects the flavor. Balanced humidity protects the texture of the cheese.
The aging process begins behind these doors.
The curds now begin forming their final structure. Each mold shapes the future cheese block.
Every batch is carefully inspected during aging.
Time and pressure shape the dense texture of the cheese. Every block now moves toward its final form. Rotation ensures uniform maturation. The solid curds remain, the foundation of cheese. The cheese now holds its form. The final refinement stage begins now. Each block is carefully prepared for the next stage. Next comes the separation of curds and whey. Pressure compacts the curds into solid form. Precision trimming ensures consistency. Airflow keeps the environment stable for every block. Inside the cheese lies the proof of proper transformation.
Human inspection confirms every piece meets standards.
The final shipments begin to take shape. Now the finished cheese prepares for distribution. Accurate weight guarantees consistency in every package.
Approval signals readiness for shipment.
Sealing preserves freshness for transport.
Texture reveals the success of the aging process.
Protection begins with airtight packaging. Accurate weight guarantees consistency in every package.
Precision cutting prepares the cheese for final shaping. Identification ensures full traceability.
Surface finishing improves texture and presentation.
Food safety remains the highest priority. Only verified batches continue forward.
Moisture levels determine the balance of flavor and texture.
Uniform portions ensure consistent product quality.
Before shipment, every batch must pass strict quality checks.
Every package carries the record of its origin. Every shipment must meet exact specifications. Every package carries the record of its origin. From factory floor to global markets. Here is where science meets the rarest dairy on Earth.
Now the raw milk prepares to enter the factory system.
Behind every product lies a massive operation.
From production floor to distribution center.
With production complete, the shipment begins its final journey.
Distribution begins inside the warehouse. Temperature-controlled transport protects the product. Each pallet moves closer to the delivery route.
Every load must be secured before departure.
The rare cheese now begins its journey to customers.